Calibrating the conveyor flow. Before starting the calibration, make sure to have the calibration sheet to write down calibration data. This could help ACE to diagnose future problems with your controller. You can find the calibration sheet in the user manual. A good calibration of the conveyor flow ensures consistent and precise material spreading. The conveyor's speed, as well as the height or opening of the gate, have an influence on the amount of materials spread. For example, more the gate is open, less the conveyor needs to turn rapidly in order to spread the same amount. Calibration allows the conveyor's speed to correctly vary according to the gate height and thus to always spread the right amount of materials. The procedure consists of filling up a box of 1/4 cubic meter with a given material in order to inform the controller of the amount of rotations the conveyor motor needs to fill it up. We then inform the controller of the weight of the box's contents. The controller then knows the spread weight of each material per motor rotation. The procedure is identical for each material. Necessary preparations. Have a box of 1/4 cubic meter, ideally measuring 1 meter by 1 meter by 25 centimeters. Have a rake for leveling the contents of the box. Calculate the weight of 1/4 cubic meter in kilograms for each material you wish to calibrate. You can calculate this by weighing a 20-liter pail of the material and multiplying by 12.5. Otherwise, you can use the following theoretical weights: salt, 325 kilograms, sand, 420 kilograms. For mixes, calculate according to proportions. Have your calibration sheet to write down the calibration values. This facilitates technical support if you have a problem and will allow you to provide proof of your calibration, which can be required for certain contracts. For better precision, have the truck filled up halfway with the material. Steps to follow. Verify that the gate is set to the desired height and write it down on your calibration sheet for this material. In the configuration menu, choose the correct menu between salt, sand, mat A and mat B by turning the conv knob clockwise. Press on pause to enter the menu. Calibration will be displayed on screen. Enter by pressing the pause button. The controller will display start. You can activate the spinner by turning the spin knob clockwise in order to facilitate spreading into the box. Begin filling the box by turning the conv knob until the conveyor turns at the desired speed. The amount of RPMs will be displayed at the left on screen, and the total amount of motor rotations will be on the right. During the procedure, you can stop the conveyor and the spinner at any time to go spread the materials evenly inside the box. Do this as many times as necessary. When the box is exactly filled at level, write down the number of motor rotations on your calibration sheet. Save this value by pressing the pause button. A theoretical weight will then be displayed on screen. You can adjust this weight with the spin and conv knobs if it does not correspond to the correct weight of the material in the box. For mixes, do not rely on the theoretical weight, but rather calculate the weight by weighing them with a balance. Press the mat type switch to display the constant, then write it down on your calibration sheet. Your calibration is then completed. You can repeat this procedure for each different material you wish to calibrate. It is possible to rapidly test your calibration with the test function. You will find explanations to this in video 2.7, how to verify the calibration of the conveyor flow.